Well guys, on today's video we're going to be working on something that we started a good while ago. As you can see, these posts back here, some of them have warped and stuff, but we're going to straighten them and use them. Put them to use. We're going to start building the floor decking back there. Eventually look like a porch similar to this one on this cabin back here. Let's get busy. Well guys, if it looked like I did that twice, it's because I did. I forgot to account for my 2x6, the height of my 2x6 joists that are going on there. So I had to go back and recut them. I figured I'd show you that. It's just like a Christian walk. A Christian never gets it right every time, and you just have to start over, repent, and do better from there on out. And that's what I did here. I started over, did better. Hopefully it comes out in the wash, as they say. Now we're gonna start building this beam. I wanted a ledger beam across here because I don't want to rely on a mechanical fastener to hold the weight of the deck of this porch. Now it will on the back wall back there. We'll have to fasten it, lag it to the wall. And you could use carriage bolts and stuff out here, but why when you can notch this and have it sitting on top of this post pushing down? So even if the fasteners fail, all they're doing is keeping this thing from falling off of there. It's not actually going to be holding the structural weight that's pushing down on it. So anytime you can do that is always better. So I did it this time. Well guys, we had a blessed couple of days here. The president of Alighteded Path Ranch, Reverend Michael Kenny, came and volunteered some good skilled labor for us and helped things move along nicely. And we got the porch deck built and braced and attached. All we need is to add some lags and some hanger brackets, and it'll be good to go, and we can move on to building the porch, the rest of the porch on top of it. We left room for growth and for sway on that tree there, So we built around it to give it character and to save the old tree. And it's just got it braced off well. Got some bracing back to the structural metal post of the building itself. Got some X bracing here on the front of it to help things sturdy up. And got some other bracing under here back to the structural steel. It's good and sturdy and it won't go anywhere. And we got 45-degree corner bracing on it as well. It's a nice deck. It's a solid deck. Let me know in the comments below what you guys do. I always put these deck boards together tight when I put them on, and as they dry, because they're good and wet when I buy them, the other end you can really see where the sun's been shining on. This end gets more shade, but there's a nice gap opened up between them. You could drop a nail between them right now. Do you guys space yours out, or do you put them together tight and let them dry and shrink? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Please like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.
As always, God gets glory for the good in their lives. Jesus Christ is Lord and Savior. Thank you and God bless.